Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a common health concern that affects millions of men worldwide. According to the Massachusetts Male Aging Study, it's estimated that half of all men between the ages of 40 and 70 experience some degree of ED. By 2025, it's projected that over 322 million men worldwide will be affected by ED, making it a significant global health concern. When it comes to treatment, options abound, but most commonly, people turn to pharmaceutical solutions. While these medications can be effective, they also come with potential side effects. These can range from mild symptoms like headaches, back pain, and indigestion, to more serious ones like sudden vision loss or hearing loss. Additionally, these medications aren't recommended for men with certain heart conditions. Given these challenges, researchers have been investigating alternative treatments, including lifestyle modifications and dietary changes. It's here where our focus on the specific combination of hazelnuts, almonds, and walnuts comes into play. According to a study conducted called FERTINUTS in 2019, incorporating these nuts into an unhealthy Western diet can significantly improve not only fertility but also intimate desire and erectile function.
Hi, I am Rob from Xplaininghealth. Every week I would like to share my medical knowledge.
For their study, researchers studied 83 participants who consumed a diet high in animal fat, with minimal fruits and vegetables, Western diet. The participants were then divided into two groups. One group continued to eat their normal Western diet over 14 weeks while the other group added 60 grams of walnuts, hazelnuts and almonds to their Western diet. The topic today is an exciting one. It's about the fascinating world of nuts. But not just any nuts, we're focusing on a unique trio: hazelnuts, almonds, and walnuts. Why this particular combination? The answer lies in the 2019 study conducted called FERTINUTS. The researchers discovered that incorporating these three nuts into an unhealthy Western diet can significantly improve not only fertility but also intimate desire and erectile function. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? But, you might be asking, how exactly do these nuts bring about such benefits? The secret is in the unique mixture of nutrients they possess. Let's dive deeper into the health benefits of this trio of nuts: hazelnuts, almonds, and walnuts. These aren't just tasty snacks. They're tiny powerhouses of nutrition that can lead to some significant health benefits. First, let's take a look at almonds. One of the key nutrients in almonds is arginine. Arginine is an amino acid, which is a building block of protein. But arginine is special because it helps our bodies make nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a gas that relaxes and opens up our blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body. Imagine this like a traffic system. When the roads are wide and clear, cars move smoothly and quickly. Similarly, when our blood vessels are relaxed, blood can move more efficiently, reaching all parts of the body, including those essential for intercourse.
Before we proceed, if you find this video useful, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.
Now, let's move on to hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are packed with healthy fats and vitamin E. These unsaturated fats are like the good guys in your body. They help reduce harmful inflammation and improve the health of your heart by lowering cholesterol levels. Better heart health means better circulation, and better circulation can lead to improved intimate function. On the other hand, vitamin E in hazelnuts is an antioxidant that protects cells in our bodies from damage. This includes sperm cells, so a boost in vitamin E could lead to improved fertility. Finally, let's talk about walnuts. They're not only delicious but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and selenium. Omega-3s are essential fats that are crucial for heart health and blood circulation. They're like the oil that keeps the engine of your body running smoothly. Good circulation is vital for many functions, including intercourse function. Then there's selenium, a mineral that's essential for sperm health. It's like the guardian of sperm, ensuring they're healthy and improving overall fertility. So, combining these three nuts in your diet, as per the FERTINUTS study, provides a mix of nutrients that can enhance blood flow, improve heart health, protect sperm health, and thereby potentially improve fertility, intimate desire, and erectile function. It's essential to remember that while these nuts are nutritious and beneficial, they aren't a cure-all solution. A healthy lifestyle, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy stress level, is key to intimate health. But adding these nuts to your diet can definitely give you an edge in achieving these health goals. Enjoy incorporating these tasty and beneficial nuts into your everyday meals.